Here's how you can turn daily scalping into a full-time profession, transforming your trading hobby into a sustainable career. This isn't just about making quick trades. It's about building a disciplined approach to the markets. Step 1. Focus on mastering a single setup. This means dedicating yourself to one currency pair, one specific pattern, and one consistent trading session. Consistency truly comes from focused repetition, allowing you to deeply understand market nuances and react instinctively. Step 2. Protect your capital at all costs. Scalpers don't risk more than 0.5% to 1% per trade. This strategy ensures small risk and steady, sustainable growth over time, safeguarding your trading account. Step 3. Trade only during high-volume sessions. The London or New York Open provides cleaner, more predictable price movements. Step 4. Treat scalping like a job. Work at the same hours, follow the same routine, and avoid emotional decision-making. This professional mindset is crucial for long-term success, separating disciplined traders from impulsive ones. And Step 5. Track everything. Screenshots, entries, exits, and the reasons for each trade. Your journal becomes your most valuable teacher, offering insights into your performance and areas for improvement. Scalping can replace your 9-to-5, but only when you approach it professionally. Follow for more daily trading insights.